Alright guys, today's the 18th of November. This is going to be the trade plan for the 19th. Today's going to be a shorter video. I already did all the levels, so I'm just going to go over them and kind of go over today's action. So basically what happened was people got trapped today, right? People got stuck in bad longs up here and they were forced to liquidate once all the buying kind of slowed down. Okay, so we had good volume throughout the day, right? Good volume, like people are buying, and then the buying kind of started weakening, and all the people that had bought positions, um, really anywhere above the high um, of the initial balance, right? The first range, right? The first hour range of the day, right? So if we look at the first hour, this is going to be the range for the first hour, okay? So this is telling us that above the initial balance, right? This is what the initial balance is. Any positions really above the initial balance, we're just stuck in bad positions. So obviously, if you're in a bad position, what do you need to do? You need to sell, and that causes more selling, right? And then obviously, new sellers come in and take advantage of the selling action, and they jump in, which obviously increases the pressure to the downside. Okay, so this is what happened. Look, if you look over here, volume was pretty high, right? So above 50 million right here is considered high volume. So we're just going high volume, and then all of a sudden we start to weaken, and all of these guys up here are starting to freak out. They're getting stuck in bad positions as the last time they have, and then look over here, volume completely fell out of bed, and these guys had to liquidate as they had no more support behind their backs. Right, also look at the ES. The ES already had broken lower at that point, and so it was really no surprise that we got a liquidation move to the downside. Okay, but anyways, that's pretty much what happened. Nothing crazy. So if you want to look at the levels for tomorrow, I'm just gonna go over them. Um, you can pause the video, screenshot them, write them down however you want. So we got the imbalance. We got an imbalance right here. We're gonna use the point of control as line in the sand. Above it bullish, below it bearish. That's for the YM. Let's move on to the NQ. Alright, here we go. We have the point of control here. Above it we're bullish, below it we're bearish. The low of day, and then obviously we have a little excess down here, another point of control, and another excess area down here. Okay, and then obviously you have a gap to fill. Okay, but that's much lower. Okay, but these are the levels for the NQ. Now last but not least, we're going to look at the ES. Okay, and these are the levels. Same thing, point of control, above bullish, below bearish. Imbalance right here. Again, imbalances you expect to fill in, so if prices do trade inside here, look for rotation. Okay, prices like to fill them in. Okay, we have a point of control here, a poor low, and another point of control, and a poor high. Okay, that's going to be all the levels for today's analysis. It is going to be a shorter video today, but if you have any questions, just leave a comment down below or reach out to me in the Discord. There is a link in the description for those of you that have not joined already. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe if you haven't, and thanks for watching, guys.